Our factory is located in Xiamen, mainly engaged in metal processing. The factory was established in 2002 and has a history of 22 years now. In the past 8 years, we have been deeply involved in the field of metal processing, accumulated a wealth of experience. There are currently more than 30 sets of equipment in the factory, can accept orders of various sizes, no matter how large or small your order is. We can provide you with high-quality service. Our advanced equipment can meet various processing requirements. Whether it is simple processing or complex customization, we can all handle it easily. After our processing, the accuracy can reach 0.01 millimeters. This is a very high standard of accuracy. Our factory has various types of machine tools, can meet the needs of different customers. Whether it's a part that needs to be mass-produced, still need personalized products, we can provide you with the right solution. Our team is composed of a group of composed of young people in mechanical design and manufacturing. They have extensive professional knowledge and practical experience. They have expertise in machine design and manufacturing, deep understanding, and unique insights. Their professionalism and focus are the core competencies of our factory. Not only that, we can also provide processing services for various metal materials, including stainless steel, brass, aluminum, etc. We also offer surface treatment services such as anodizing, painting, etc. to meet the diverse needs of customers. Our surface treatment is exquisite, can add more beauty and texture to your products. The area of our factory has reached 1,000 square meters. The spacious and bright working environment makes it provides strong support for our production. Employees are able to focus more on their work. We have strict checks on the quality and delivery of products. Our factory is equipped with advanced equipment and tools. Each item will be produced and inspected according to the customer's requirements. Make sure that every product meets high standards. We have a professional quality control team. They will regularly test the products to ensure their quality. Our goal is to become your most trusted partner in metal processing. We will provide high-quality products and services at reasonable prices. We provide you with comprehensive support. We look forward to establishing a long-term cooperative relationship with you. Grow together. Create brilliance together. Just contact the information below the video. If you have any requirements for metal processing, please feel free to contact us. We will serve you wholeheartedly. We believe that through our joint efforts, it will definitely achieve a win-win situation for both parties.